While addressing inquiries about the government's stance on the Voice of the People Party's demands, Conrad Sangma encouraged party leaders to step forward for discussions, assuring a transparent approach.
As I've mentioned, we are very much open. Anybody can come and meet us at any time. I think this government has been one of the most open governments. We have no problem in meeting anybody on any issue. I have no issue. Anybody can come in any time.
Can you tell us on the status of the reservation committee?
The committees have met a number of times. As I said, they're independent committees, so we really don't monitor personally into what they're doing. But multiple meetings have been held. I think recently also there was one meeting held. I was informed by Chief Secretary. So they are working, and I presume that the chairman will be in the best position, so you'll have to speak to him. But the committee has started working.